Thank you for joining us at GAIN to help celebrate the 20th anniversary, 20th birthday of the Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition. We're so glad that everybody's here, and we, the staff and the board, include people that are in management for the global organization, as well as people in the countries around the world where we have operations. And we've all come together to celebrate, but also to look forward to all of the critical work that has to be done in the future.
I want to look back a little bit. One of the things we did for the 20th anniversary was to just do a little bit of a stock take of the impact that we've had over the last 5 years. It kind of surprised me at how much we had done and had an impact. So some of the numbers I can remember: 1.2 billion people reached with large-scale food fortification, 120 million people reached with biofortified crops, 5 million kids reached with micronutrient supplements. We can't do this without our partners, and there are so many of you in the room here tonight, from government, from business, from civil society, from research. And that's what makes, I think, GAIN the unique organization it is really. It's at the intersection of nutrition and food systems. Lots of people think about nutrition, but they don't think much about food systems. Lots of people think about food systems, but they don't think much about nutrition. So we are trying to connect those two groups.
In terms of what is our expectation and outlook for the next 20 years, for us is really around how do we, beyond just influencing access to nutritious and safe food, is like how do we now move the needle forward in terms of healthier diets? And here we're really looking at how do we also assert our influence, not only in terms of the provision of nutritious health product, but more so also along other areas of the food value chain. And we look forward to doing this work with our government on several fronts. For example, again, in the area of policy, we know that Tanzania has done well in terms of fortification, the mandatory regulation that was, institutionalized. But how about food safety regulation? We're not there to ensure that, safe, nutritious foods are indeed safe. So those are some of the key areas that we're looking forward to participating.
I think as a women entrepreneur, it's important to really focus on having a sense of, climate issues in our businesses, because it gives us a step forward, especially if we have so much respect on protecting our environment as we build our business. Because for me, I think as a business, it is important to really have the planet in our core, not just like, selling a product, but how can you sell a product that there's a planet in there, there's people in there, and for sure profit will just follow when planet is well taken care of.
So we, together with our other donors, encourage GAIN to continue on this path. We congratulate you for your 20th anniversary and the impressive number of tools, dialogues, decision-making aids you have produced. And we're looking forward to really grounding them now in the field and make these quantum leaps at national and sub-national level. So any organization is only as strong as its employees. So a big shout out to all the GAIN employees who have worked for sustainable nutrition in the last 2 decades. Thanks to you all. Switzerland will continue to be with you, will continue to support you, and we do need GAIN more than ever, and we need more GAIN for the future in order to tackle these multiple nutrition crises. So thank you very much and happy anniversary.